Okay, so we're continuing on in Hillchos Mechira. That's in the Sefer HaMitzvos Rambam. Let's continue on. So, Ukarnis Bar, which have already been made clear, Torah, according to the Torah, Mos Kanos, that's money. You want the exchange of monetary, either a coin or a bill. That's the thing that acquires Ve'ein HaMashicha b'metaltalin. Mashicha is not needed b'metaltalin by things that one can pick up. Ela takonas chachamim. Except this is the thing that the chachamim made a takana, that it's better to do so, but if he gives money, that it will acquire the object. V'chein hamasira v'hagba. And the same thing goes for Mesira, giving it over, v'hagboha, and picking it up. Of a favor, Shamru, they said specifically, Sham Tzadik Tes. Sham means over there in Baba Metzia. Sham Tzadik Tes. Kederech shetiknu Mashicha ba'lokchen, kach tiknu Mashicha ba'shomerin. The same way that the Rabbanon tiknu, they made a takana. In other words, they made a special law that it's better that way. But it's a takana, meaning that it's not really absolutely needed, but it's better that way. The Rabbanon made a takana, a fixing. So kederech, the same way, shetiknu Mashicha, that the Rabbanon made a takana, they made a special law, Mashicha b'lokchen, by picking up the object. B'lokchen, when you acquire it, kach tiknu Mashicha b'shomrin. The same way, they made a takana, they made a law of Mashicha, of picking it up by shomrins. In other words, you give it to a watcher. So how does the watcher, in other words, he's watching your object, how does he show that he is acquiring it? By Mashicha, by picking it up and drawing it to him. So that's what the Chachamim made. But so it's like a takana. Sheha Mashicha l'Rishuson meitila alehen chiyuvei hashomrim. That the picking it up and drawing it in to their Rishuson means their jurisdiction. In other words, he to his house or whatever it is, or to his Dalet Amos, let's say, to where he's sitting, whatever, at a table, to his jurisdiction, Matila Alehan puts upon him Chiyuvei HaShomrim, the obligations of Shomrim. That means he becomes the Shomer, he becomes the watcher of the object. So here, this is made clear to you, Shazeh Shehisnu Meshicha B'mekor Umemkor Takona, that which they made a tanai. Shehisnu means a tanai, means a condition. Shazeh Shehisnu Meshicha B'mekor Umemkor, that this case where they made the condition of picking it up, drawing it into you, B'mekor Umemkor, by commerce, by Mekach HaMemker means commerce, business. That, in other words, that you should draw it into you. That's how you acquire it. Takana, this is a takana. In other words, it's an extra thing. But really just the money is the thing. The exchange of money is what gives the lokeach, the one that buys it, that gives him jurisdiction of the object. Commotion, like it says in its place. Aval shar haderachim shebehen niknos hakarkos v'zulasan kelomar shtar b'chazaka ismichun lapesukim. However, other ways, shar derachim, other ways, shebehen niknos, in which hakarkos v'zulasan, in which property is acquired, v'zulasan, and other things. Kelomar, Bezulatan, and other things. Kalam shtar, in other words, a shtar means a document. Chazaka means you're doing something that shows that you own it. Perhaps it means like you acquire a piece of land, so you dig something, you dig a little bit into it. So that's a chazaka. You're showing that you have jurisdiction over it. Hismichun lepesukim. This is, we get it from a pesukim, from the psukim, the verses in the Torah. And it's already been made clear, these the judgments, the halachos of this din, kalamar yediyas adarachim sheben miskayim hamekach bechol sug v'sug. In other words, the way we know the ways, and it's shown how miskayim hamekach, that the acquisition is actualized, that it's acquired. B'chol sug v'sug, in every way. In other words, in either metaltalin, that's the small objects, or karkos is property. Each different way. We can learn that out by Perik Aleph Mekidushin. In the first Perik of Kedushin, over Perik Dalet, over Perik Ches, mi baba metzia. And from Perik Dalet, the fourth Perik, the Perik Ches, and the eighth Perik, mi baba metzia, from Baba Metzia. O Perik Gimel, o Perik Dalet, o Perik Hey, o Perik Vav, o Perik Zayin, mi baba basra. And also Perik, the third parak, and the fourth parak, and the fifth parak, and the sixth parak, and the seventh parak of Baba Basra. So this is the halachos of Mechira, of selling and buying, of commerce. How one can acquire it, how one can acquire whatever it is. And this here is the Sefer HaMitzvos, Rambam. So this is the mitzvah of acquisition of Mekach and Emker. That's mitzvah, HaMitzvah Reish Mem Hey. HaMitzvah Reish Mem Hey. Okay. Thank you very much. This is if one wants to learn this, you can, the Sefer HaMitzvos, Rambam, Lamdei Hashir, Ayomi, the people that learn the daily shir, the daily lessons. So, okay, thank you very much. Right, Matzliach.